Every trader, at some point in their journey, has looked at the Bitcoin chart and felt something: curiosity, excitement, maybe even fear. That volatility, those sharp moves, the massive rallies, and sudden dips, they make Bitcoin one of the most fascinating instruments to trade in the market today. But behind all the hype and noise lies a deeper truth. To trade BTC successfully, you must understand the trend, respect the trend, and ride the trend with discipline and purpose. Bitcoin isn't just another trading asset. It's a movement. It's a revolution in how we view money, value, and freedom. But as traders, our job isn't to get emotional or ideological. Our job is to read the trend, follow the market, and execute with precision. Bitcoin has given traders countless opportunities over the years, and it continues to do so. But the ones who win are not the ones who chase every move. The winners are those who recognize the trend early, stay patient, and follow through with a plan. Trends in Bitcoin are powerful. When BTC starts moving in one direction, it often sustains that momentum longer than expected. Whether it's a bullish breakout or a bearish collapse, the trend builds like a wave. Smart traders don't fight it, they ride it. They don't try to guess the top or bottom. They look at the bigger picture, follow price action, and move with the market, not against it. Imagine catching a BTC trend early. The market gives you signs: higher highs, higher lows, increasing volume, breakouts from key resistance levels. A disciplined trader notices these signs and prepares. They don't jump in with emotion. They wait for confirmation. They set risk levels. They respect the volatility. And when the trend confirms, they ride it confidently, not recklessly, but with purpose. Now think about the opposite scenario. A trader sees Bitcoin flying up and jumps in too late, purely on FOMO. No plan, no analysis, just emotion. The price pulls back, and panic sets in. They hold on, hoping it will reverse. But it doesn't. The trend was already over. That's the danger of chasing. It's emotional trading, not strategic trading. And in the world of BTC, emotion is your worst enemy. Trend is your friend until it ends. That's a golden rule in trading. And with Bitcoin, this rule becomes even more crucial. BTC trends are fast, aggressive, and powerful, but they also reverse sharply. If you're not disciplined, if you don't set stop losses, if you don't take profits according to your plan, the same trend that gave you gains can take them away. This is why understanding the trend isn't enough, you need to respect it. Many traders get caught trying to predict when a trend will reverse. But that's a dangerous game. Great traders don't predict, they react. They watch for key technical signals, trendline breaks, RSI divergence, moving average crosses, volume shifts. They don't guess the future. They interpret the present, and that's what allows them to stay on the right side of the trend, not by luck, but by observation and discipline. Bitcoin has a rhythm. It moves in cycles. Bull markets, bear markets, consolidation zones, breakout moments. Each phase tells a story. If you learn to read these phases, if you study the history and the behavior of BTC, you'll find opportunities not because you're lucky but because you're prepared. You'll stop trading out of emotion and start trading out of understanding. Let us take a moment to appreciate what BTC has done over the years. From just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars, the long-term trend of Bitcoin has been upward. Yes, there have been crashes. Yes, the market has punished the careless. But time and time again, those who understood the long-term trend and stayed patient were rewarded. That's not just luck, that's the power of following the trend. As a trader, you don't have to catch every move. You just need to catch the right move at the right time and manage it well. When Bitcoin starts trending, your job is to align with that momentum, not fight it. Fighting the trend is like swimming against a current, exhausting and dangerous. Following the trend, on the other hand, puts the wind at your back. The beautiful part about BTC trends is that they often give clear technical signals. Whether you use price action, support resistance, Fibonacci, or moving averages, the trend leaves clues. It's your job as a trader to listen, to study, to remain objective. And when the signals align, you act not with fear, not with greed, but with clarity. Greed destroys more traders than bad analysis ever will. Especially in Bitcoin. When BTC starts climbing fast, the temptation to over-leverage, to hold beyond your plan, to ignore your stops, becomes overwhelming. But this is where discipline makes the difference. A disciplined trader takes partial profits.